Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's learn how to upload a logo in WordPress in less than 2 minutes of time. Now for the Click and Capture Studio, we want to upload the logo right here. Currently we are seeing the name Click and Capture Studio, wedding model and product photography. Now here we have to upload CNC logo. In order to upload the logo, all we have to do is to click on customize, and from the left side panel we do have the option called site identity. So let me click here. And here right above the site title we do have an option to select the logo. So let me click on select logo. And if we have not uploaded the logo, all we have to do is to click on upload files, and then we have to select files so that we can upload the logo directly from the laptop or computer. But for me, in the media library, I have already uploaded my client CNC logo. So let me select this and then let me click on select. Now as per the logo dimensions, we do have the options to adjust, but for me it looks good, so I just want to click on crop image, and now I want to quickly publish the changes. And now let me close here. Let me give a quick page refresh. I clearly see the logo of CNC Click and Capture Studio has been updated successfully, and it is a clickable link, which means no matter in which page we are, maybe I want to navigate to book a session page, and from here I want to click on CNC logo. It will take us directly to the home page. So uploading a logo in the WordPress website is super simple, and we can do it in less than 1 to 2 minutes of time. So if you really find this video helpful, please continue watching my entire digital marketing course. It will be super easy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.